Preschool Kids TV.
Apple loves the letter A. A. A is for apple. Banana loves the letter B. B. B is for banana. Carrot loves the letter C. C. C is for carrot. Donut loves the letter D. D. D is for donut. Egg loves the letter E. E. E is for egg. Flynn loves the letter F. F. F is for Flynn. Grapes loves the letter G. G. G is for grapes. Hamburger loves the letter H. H. H is for hamburger. Ice cream loves the letter I. I is for ice cream. Jelly loves the letter J. J. J is for jelly. Kiwi loves the letter K. K. K is for kiwi. Lemon loves the letter L. L. L is for lemon. Melon loves the letter M. M. M is for melon. Nectarine loves the letter N. N. N is for nectarine. Orange loves the letter O. O. O is for orange. Pumpkin loves the letter P. P. P is for pumpkin. Quills love the letter Q. Q. Q is for quills. Radish loves the letter R. R. R is for radish. Strawberry loves the letter S. S. S is for strawberry. Tomato loves the letter T. T. T is for tomato. Apple fruit loves the letter U. U. U is for ugly fruit. Violin loves the letter V. V. V is for violin. Watermelon loves the letter W. W. W is for watermelon. The letter X. the letter X. Yogurt loves the letter Y. Y. Y is for yogurt. Zebra loves the letter Z. Z. Z is for zebra.